Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So for this, you need to just go for your profile, go for your followers, and now if I search for my uh, follower, so you can see uh, she has followed me, but if I search for another one, so I can't see that person in my followers option. So that's mean uh, that person does not follow me. So this is how you can see who has unfollowed you on Instagram. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.